You feel it the moment you look up, cities are racing higher again. More than 150 skyscrapers, each over 200 meters, are being built across the world right now. Blueprints are back, cranes are moving, and the next wave of mega towers is no longer rumor. Every height, every city, every completion year in this countdown is verified from a trusted source. But here's the question: which city dares to push beyond every limit? One tower in this countdown aims higher than anything humans have ever built. Let's count down the 12 skyscrapers under construction right now. Number 12. Shandong IFC. It's just months away from opening. Shandong IFC has already topped out, reaching its full height of 428 meters. What remains is the final stretch, finishing interiors, testing elevators, and completing its systems. For Jinan, this tower is more than just a building. It's the city's declaration that it is ready to compete on the world stage as a financial and tech hub. What makes this one worth watching is its timing. Expected to complete in 2025, it will be one of the first to cross the finish line. While other towers in this list are years away, Jinan's skyline is about to get a bold new icon within months, not decades. Number 11. Greenland Tower, Chengdu. The Chengdu Greenland Tower has a dramatic story. Construction stalled for years, but the project recently resumed, proving that ambition is still alive. Standing at 468 meters, it's designed to become the tallest building in Western China, a marker for Chengdu's rise as a regional powerhouse. The completion date remains uncertain, which is not unusual for megaprojects that face funding and design hurdles, but the fact that work has restarted is crucial. Once delivered, it will dominate Chengdu's skyline, a glass needle announcing the city's stubborn will to grow upward. Number 10. Torre, Abidjan. Africa is stepping into the super tall race. Torre in Abidjan is projected to rise 421 meters, making it the tallest tower on the continent once completed. For West Africa, this project is both a statement of ambition and a test of execution, showing that the region is capable of delivering skyscrapers that rival Asia and the Gulf. Expected to finish in 2026, it will anchor Abidjan's push to become a modern, global-facing city. A project of this scale requires steady funding and flawless logistics. If it succeeds, Ivory Coast will be firmly on the architectural map of the world. Number 9. Torre Rise. This one could give Latin America a new record holder. Torre Rise, climbing to 475 meters, is set to be the tallest tower in the entire region. Construction is confirmed, and Monterrey is racing toward its 2026 target. For the city, this is more than height, it's a magnet for capital, talent, and global recognition. Once completed, Torre Rise will be the centerpiece of Mexico's industrial hub, proof that Latin America is no longer content to watch from the sidelines. It is ready to play on the same stage as Dubai, Shanghai, and Jeddah. Number 8. North Bund Tower. Shanghai isn't done, it's building a counterweight to Pudong's famous skyline. The city already has some of the world's most iconic towers in Pudong, but the North Bund Tower will rebalance the horizon. At 480 meters, it will stand across the Huangpu River, making Shanghai glow in every direction, not just one. With completion set for 2030, the project is a long game, but Shanghai plays long games well. When it finally opens, the tower will reshape the skyline into a full-circle spectacle, ensuring both sides of the river sparkle in global skylines. Number 7. The Line, Saudi Arabia. The Line is unlike anything else on this list. It's not just a skyscraper, it's a radical vision, a continuous wall of cities stretching across the desert. Each segment rises about 500 meters, making it comparable to some of the tallest towers on Earth. Construction has already begun, with first phases expected by 2030, though the full project will take much longer. If Saudi Arabia delivers even part of this vision, it will rewrite the rules of urban life, forcing city planners everywhere to rethink what a city can be in the vertical age. Number 6. Six Senses Residences. Luxury living is going higher than ever, over 500 meters in the air. Dubai has mastered the art of branded luxury towers, and the Six Senses Residences take it even further. At about 517 meters, this project pushes the limits of residential and hospitality living, stacking resort-like amenities into a vertical paradise. Scheduled for completion in 2028, the Six Senses Tower represents Dubai's confidence that its market can absorb ultra-high-end homes in the sky. Number 5. Tiger Sky Tower. The name says it all. Dubai wants another roaring landmark. The Tiger Sky Tower is bold by name and bold by design. Rising to 532 meters, it aims to keep Dubai firmly in the global spotlight of skyline innovation. Construction has begun with early site and foundation work, though the tower is still in its early phases. Expected to open in 2029, it will test elevator speeds, wind resistance, and dampening systems. It embodies Dubai's aggressive approach. Tiger Sky is set to roar across the horizon. Number 4. Burj Binghatti Jacob & Co. Residences. A near 600-meter residential tower branded by a luxury jeweler. Imagine living nearly 600 meters above the ground. The Burj Binghatti Jacob & Co. Residences make that dream real. At 595 meters, it's one of the tallest pure residential towers ever attempted. Scheduled for completion around 2026 or 2027, it will turn every apartment into a symbol of prestige. The challenge is not just engineering the height, but ensuring comfort, cooling, and livability in Dubai's intense climate. This tower promises sunsets in the clouds. Number 3. Tianjin. Also called Golden Finance 117, after years of silence, this diamond-topped tower is making a comeback. Known as Tianjin 117, it has resumed work and is officially under construction again. At 597 meters, crowned with a diamond-shaped top, it will be one of China's tallest skyscrapers. Completion is targeted for 2027. For Tianjin, this is more than another project. It is redemption, a second chance to finish what was once nearly abandoned. If successful, it will be a proud symbol of the city's modern ambitions. Number 2. Burj Azizi, Dubai. A tower that might even steal attention from the Burj Khalifa. At 725 meters, Burj Azizi is set to redefine Dubai's skyline once again. Confirmed under construction, it joins the league of ultra-super talls reaching far into the clouds. Few towers in history have crossed the 700-meter mark. Burj Azizi is one of them. Expected to finish in 2029, it will rival the Burj Khalifa in sheer presence. Dubai is doubling down on its identity as the city of height, and Burj Azizi proves the ambition is not slowing anytime soon. Number 1. Jeddah Tower. The world's first kilometer-tall tower. If it finishes, it changes everything. Jeddah Tower is aiming to be the first building on Earth to reach 1,000 meters. Construction has resumed, with a target date of 2028. This project is more than engineering. It's a global statement that Saudi Arabia is ready to host the tallest tower on the planet. The leap from 600 meters to nearly 1,000 is staggering. If Jeddah Tower succeeds, it will mark a turning point in human architecture, the first true kilometer in the sky. By 2030, skylines across the world will look completely different. These towers are not just about numbers. They are about ambition, identity, and the race to own the sky. Some cities chasing global recognition, others proving resilience after setbacks. Together, they mark a new era, where skyscrapers are not just buildings, but living symbols of what nations believe they can achieve.